Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration setting in our Samsung phone guys. So in this video guys I am going to show you guys how can you off guys your dial pad tone guys. What is dial pad tone guys? So as you can see guys, when you enter a number in your dial pad guys, so friends you can see this little sound, and friends you want to off this sound in your Samsung phone. So guys how can you off it guys? In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys we will have to come in our phone settings. So why we will on it, and guys you can see guys your sound and vibration setting. So friends tap here, guys click on guys your system sound and vibration control. So I tap here and guys you can see dialing keypad. So I click on this blue icon, then guys your keypad sound will not work guys in your Realme OS Samsung phone. So friends when we will open a dial pad, so as you can see this tone will not work in your dial pad. Dial pad tone will not work in your Samsung phone. So like that guys you can off your dial pad tone if you don't like your dial pad tone, so as you can off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to off dial pad tone. So thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.